Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a YouTube intro for Canva from Canva. So first thing you want to do on Chromebook specifically, first thing you want to do is go up to Google Chrome or the app. I'm gonna do Google Chrome. So you're gonna go up to here, search Google, or type a URL. We're gonna type a URL. It's gonna be canva.com and then enter. This is from Canva, and then you're gonna just continue with any of your account. We just sign into my thing, and then continue if you already have an account. But you first have to create an account if you don't have it first. Okay. I don't know why it's like this. I'm just gonna close out. Okay. Let me remove that quickly. Then you want to go to here, social media, click that. Then I will say, and then you're gonna search up YouTube, and then you're gonna do intro. YouTube, I know we'll say YouTube intro, 1080p. Click that, and then it will get you to this design here. It's a video, so you're gonna name it if you want. I would recommend naming it if you want to use Canva a lot, because I do. We're gonna do how to intro, okay? And the templates, you're gonna go to design, YouTube intro, where I already have that. And then here's one that I really like. It's this one right here. It just says, "Welcome to my channel." That was really cool. Or you can do anything else. I also like this, and then you can just change it. It's not what it is. Really cool stuff. And then you can do YouTube outro too. Really cool. I want to use this design here. I'm gonna use this design right here, and then press it, and then it's in. Really cool. Then if you want to add like the other stuff, you can create this plus icon, then uploads, and then you're gonna do like any image or video. If you want to do videos, come to here. Really cool. Yeah. It's really cool. I love Canva. You can add any files or for yourself, and really cool stuff, not gonna lie. Well, let me check my microphone. There. And I'm gonna say it. There's so much stuff. That is just one thing we did in this video. There's gonna be a part 2 to how to. We can add a playlist once I do the part 2. So, hope you guys have a great day. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!